Hey everyone, if you finished creating a design in Uizard AI and want to save it to your device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download designs from Uizard AI step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your Uizard AI account and open the project you want to download. Before exporting, review your design carefully and make sure all changes have been saved successfully. Next, check that your screens, layouts, images, and interface elements look exactly the way you want. It's always a good idea to preview the design before downloading the final version. Once you're ready, look for the export or download option within the project workspace. The exact location may vary depending on updates to the platform and your subscription plan. Click the export option and review the available download formats. Depending on your plan and project type, Uizard may offer different export methods for designs, screens, prototypes, or assets. Choose the format that best fits your needs. For example, you might export design images for presentations, share assets with developers, or download screens for documentation purposes. Just a few clicks, you can save your work, share it with others, and use it in presentations, development projects, and client reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.